Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I actually have a Colourpop order. Thought I would unbox with you guys. So let's get into it. First of all, apologies. It's been a long day. It's really late at night. I just got in. Hair's tied up in a sort of bun because I've been running around and it's really late. So Colourpop. I actually was looking to purchase some empty magnetic Z palettes, and the place I normally get them from, which is Morphe, does not have them on their website anymore. So I'm like, I know Colourpop has them. So I went over to Colourpop's website, and before I knew it, I had a pretty good order. So this is what it looks like. I did open it, you guys, because I ended up, I had a coworker who wanted something from Colourpop, so I had it shipped to work, and I pulled her stuff out. So this is how it came. Really always nicely packaged. Look at that, Colourpop. Look at that big old box of magic. Really good amount of bubble wrapping. So I appreciate that. Okay, so she wanted a Z palette and I wanted a couple Z palettes. So I just got two empty magnetic palettes. These are like 10 bucks. I got this one, which is I love the color, kind of that orangish color. It's got palm trees and a heart on it. This is, I believe, what they call their large palette, and it's just, like I said, a magnetic palette. I don't need a mirror. I don't want a mirror. I don't want to pay for a mirror in a Z palette. Honestly, I don't need a palette with a mirror in it. I just don't. So that's one I got. And then I did get this one. I thought it was really pretty. And it says Colourpop down here, but it's got a little bit of sparkly glitter to it. It's got a beautiful butterfly. The back of it has more really pretty flowers on it. And again, it's just, and it says Colourpop on the inside. But again, it's just an empty magnetic palette. So yeah, I was really disappointed Morphe doesn't have them, but I remembered Colourpop did have them in a very attractive or reasonable price. So I already have uses for these. And then they were having a sale, and I know I've got my upcoming giveaways, and I'm always looking for stuff to use creatively in various giveaways. So I am going to show you guys some stuff that will eventually end up in a giveaway. I don't know which one it's going to be in. I am working on my next milestone giveaway. I don't know if these will be in it right now, but I want to show you guys what I got. So these are two of their smaller palettes. This is Clear the Air. That's how it ships. So that's kind of neat. I'll show you guys on the side. I feel bad opening these, but let's just gently pry them open. And then this one is Clearly in Love. This is the other one. Just to show you guys. Let me see if I can gently get into these without making a total mess. I can kind of sort of pop the sticker up. So they're not huge palettes, but they're super cute. This is how they come. The shades are in the back. I'll just really quickly, I'll show you this one. I don't want to open the other one. But these are really nicely priced, and they're great for travel. Super cute. I mean, honestly, what a great palette, right? See if it'll open. I'm terrified I'm going to drop something. Super cute. I love these. Actually, I have a ZeeSea Cosmetics palette that has all these shades as well in it. So like I truly did not buy these for myself. But yeah, so the other one is Clearly in Love. If you guys want to check them out on the website, if they still have them, they were on sale. I'm just going to go ahead and put it back in here so that's Clear the Air. I just showed you. And Clearly in Love was the other shade I got. They had a ton of stuff on sale. Lip balms and you name it. Ton of stuff. So the other thing, so because I also ordered for my coworker, I got to a certain dollar amount, you guys, and I got a free item in my cart, and I actually really love this. I'm probably going to take it back to work, but it is from their Barbie collection. I got the Barbie hand mirror. Super cute. I thought I'd take it back to work because it's really a cute little tiny, you know, it's not huge and it's not tiny per se. That's what it looks like. Pop that out. It's got a little, you know, safety sticker on the mirror, but there you all are. That is what it looks like. Super cute. And then if I cover it, you know, it says Colourpop. So I think it was like a $10 value, and I got it at it. I think there was 2 items I could choose. And I was like, yeah, I'll take the Barbie mirror for sure. So that's going to go back. It'll be on my desk at work. So yeah, you know, I like Colourpop, you guys. It's made in California, all made in the USA. Very reasonably priced items. And honestly, good quality. Really good quality. Now, that said, I cannot use their concealer. I used their concealer. I bought some and used it under my eyes, and it actually like burned me. I have a video on that. It's probably been at least 1.5 years ago, but I literally got a chemical burn under both my eyes, and yeah, it didn't go well. I looked terrible for about 2 weeks. So that can happen. You guys, allergies and reactions and things like that can happen with makeup. So I don't have any issue with e.l.f. So I've been using e.l.f. because the Colourpops I gave away to another YouTuber. She said she'd take them. She wanted to test them. She never had any issues with them. So it was clearly I had an issue with them. But be aware, you guys, that can happen. Okay. And Colourpop is a reputable, really well-known, good quality brand. So, I mean, they did an amazing job packaging everything. The box is really nice, super cute. So that's my really quick Colourpop haul. You know, all I needed was a couple of Z palettes. The next thing you know, I'm ordering a couple of little 9-pan palettes for upcoming giveaway use, and I get a free little Barbie mirror. And I don't know how long that's going on, guys. I feel like I had to order, I think it was $40 worth of product, and because I actually ordered 3 of these. Like I said, I had a coworker that wanted something, so I had ordered one of these for her, and then to get it to the 40, I did order these. They got me on the deal. So let me know what you guys think down below, what you all think. I thought these were a great deal. They were, I think, $6 for one of them, you know, two for 12 bucks. I thought it was a great deal. I think this is their Clearly, and I think there were 3, and I was only interested in the 2. So, yeah. Thanks, guys. Pretty quick, pretty amazing. I'm super excited. I'm going to move stuff around. Why I bought these will make sense probably in a couple weeks. I'm waiting for another order from an indie brand that I got some single shadows from. I am so excited to get the products. I'm not going to give it away, but that's coming up. My order still hasn't been packaged yet, but I'd say probably at least another 2 weeks or so, and then I'm super excited for it. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a great week. Don't forget to check out my Mask Monday at Ladies video. I always have a giveaway in those. You do have to be subscribed. So if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. All right, guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.